Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. In today's video I will show you how I did this look right here. It's a silvery taupe eyeshadow look. I got this idea from Amanda. She's amazing. Thank you so much for your support and thank you so much for the idea. And this is the look I came up with, and if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start by applying a little bit of concealer as base. And I'm going to use my Urban Decay Stay Naked concealer. You can use an eyeshadow primer, of course. I'm not going anywhere, so concealer is fine. I'm just going to blend it in with my sponge. And I'm also going to set it with a little bit of powder. And setting is going to make blending a little bit easier. What a better palette to use today than my Taupes by Juvia's Place. This is amazing for taupes and silvers and anything like that. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to start by applying a transition shade. That's going to be this shade right here in the corner. Just going to pick it up on my Juvia's Place 006 brush. Okay, that shadow is gonna go in my crease. I'm going to start from my outer corner and blend inwards towards my crease. Just doing back and forth motions. This is pretty close to my skin tone, so it's really easy to blend for me. I'm taking some more to build it up. I'm just doing circular motions, back and forth motions. I really want this to be really well blended into my skin. Then I'm picking up my Morphe M506 brush and picking this darker shade here. And that is gonna go a little bit lower into my crease. I'm doing a pretty rounded shape. I'm experimenting with the roundness of my eyes. So again, doing back and forth motions, really diffusing this shade into the previous one. I'm picking up some more to intensify. And then you can take the previous brush and really blend the shades together. These are not very dark colors, so it's pretty easy to work with them. On my lid I'm going to apply a silver shade, and that is gonna be this one in the palette. It's pretty glittery, it has some nice reflexes in it. Really love it. It's really sparkly, you will see it in a moment. I will just apply it with my finger. I'm applying it on my entire lid. So starting from the center, so here I have the most intensity, and then just blending on the sides. I'm just gonna take my previous brush to diffuse the edges. I want to intensify the lash line a little bit. I'm going to use a black pencil. I have this one from Boysenberries. If you want an alternative for the black, you can go for a gray. I would suggest a gray pencil. I wouldn't necessarily go for a brown. Brown pencils can be pretty warm in tone, so it wouldn't suit the cool toned look that we have going on. We're going to blend the black pencil, so don't worry, it's not going to be too intense. So I'm just going to apply the pencil around my lash line. Basically just lining my entire lash line with it. Not doing a very thick line, just I just want to intensify the lash line just a little bit. And I will also line underneath my lashes. And then what I want to do is take a pencil brush. I have my Morphe M149, and I'm just going to diffuse this, because I don't really want it to be very precise, like very in your face. I just want it to be diffused, and look, I want it to look like a shadow somehow. And I'm just doing back and forth motions here, and then I'm flicking my brush upwards so it blends into the shadow. I'm actually dragging it a little bit upwards here in my outer corner, so the outer corner is going to be a little bit thicker than the inner corner. And I'm actually going to pick up this shade again, the dark matte shade, and go over the pencil to set it and also to blend it a little bit more. I'm going to take the brush that I used to apply this shade in the crease, the Morphe M506, and start from this outer corner where I apply the pencil and move my way to the crease, kind of connecting the liner with the crease. I applied a little bit of mascara. I don't think I'm going to add false lashes to this look. Now I'm going to go into my face off camera. I'm actually going to film the face. I'm doing a review for a Rimmel new range, so if you want to see that, check out my previous video. Okay, I'm back. Now it's time to finish the lower lash line. I'm going to use a pencil on my waterline, a black pencil first, and then we're going to see from there. Just going to use the same Boysenberry's pencil and apply it all over my waterline. Okay, now I'm going to take my pencil brush and pick up the dark taupe shade again, and I'm going to basically smudge that along my lower lash line. And with my Morphe 506, I'm just going to blend it. I don't have any additional product on the brush. I applied some mascara on my lower lashes. Now I want to finish off the eye look by highlighting my inner corner. For that I'm going to use this shade from the palette right here. And I'm just going to stamp that right here. And I'm actually going to highlight underneath the arch of my brow as well with this same shade. For my lips, I'm going to use the Boysenberry's pencil in the shade Dusty Brown. I'm going to line them first. I want to use something that's cool toned again to suit the eye look. For my lips, I'm just going to use this gloss from Sephora Collection. It's in the shade 04. It's discontinued anyway, so... And that is it for today's look. Silvery taupe eyeshadow look. And if you have any other suggestions or looks that you want me to film, drop them in the comments below, and yeah, I'll probably do that. If you enjoyed today's video and you like today's look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. It really means a lot to me, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!